What's up guys, it's Ruben here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new, well, unpackaging my brand new BSD Zing bars, so let's go. So, I got new grips because my last ones, these ones are 8.6 rise, and they're kind of bending. I don't know if you guys can see that, but around the stem area where it's holding there, yeah, it's kind of bending. So you know, it was time to upgrade, and yeah, they were short as. So I decided to get these bars, which are in 9.5 rise. Damn, they're pretty nice. They're really light, by the way. They're super duper lightweight. First impression. Nice color. You got some cool, you know, if that's gonna focus. Nice, you know, design stickers and stuff there. And you got this kangaroo thing. Oh no, not kangaroo, what do I have? Koala or whatever. I don't know if you guys can see that, but anyway. So yeah, these are Liam Zingberg's signature bars, of course. And they're 29 width and 9.25 rise, not 9.5, 9.25. And yeah, they're super nice bars, real lightweight. They look real good. The finish is nice on them. I also got a pair of grips, just cause. So I'll be trying these out. They're just the BSD passenger grips. So yeah, I'll be trying these ones out too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go check these on my bike, and then I'll give you guys a few shots. Won't be able to test them out till tomorrow because it's like 10 outside right now, so it's pitch black. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I know this video is pretty short, but I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.